Hey y'all, welcome to RNEWBBQ. I'm Richard. Glad you could join me today. First off, a little side note. Today my geese are deciding to have constant arguments with each other. So you might hear them today, or you might not. All depends on if I'll be able to cut them out. But that's one of the reasons why I chose where I'm at, is because I'm far enough away from usually where they have their arguments at. So you might not hear much of it, but fair warning. On today's video, we're gonna do up some bacon deer burgers using some Uncle Steve's Gator Shake. So let's go ahead and get started. Right here, we've got roughly 2 pounds worth of deer meat and bacon that have been ground together. We're gonna go ahead and add in some Uncle Steve's Gator Shake. Roughly about a tablespoon and a half. Now we're going to go ahead and start making our little hamburger balls. Roughly looking for about 6 ounces or so. Just a rough eyeball estimate. Now, time to move over to the grill. First things first, got some country smoked bacon. Here we go. Love that flavor. Can't go wrong with some country ham bacon, deer meat, and some Uncle Steve's Gator Shake. Love that combination. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.